Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer timecode from Tentacle Sync into Resolve, full guide step by step clearly. Start by connecting your Tentacle Sync device to your computer using a USB cable. Open the Tentacle Sync Studio software. Once the software is open, ensure your Tentacle Sync device is recognized by the application. Navigate to the project where you have recorded audio. Select the clips that you want to transfer timecode from. Export the timecode data from the Tentacle Sync software by choosing the appropriate file type. Save the exported file to a location that is easy to find, such as your desktop. Next, launch DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing project where you want to import your audio and timecode. Import the audio files recorded with the Tentacle Sync device into your Resolve project. Once the audio files are imported, locate the media pool. Right-click on the audio clip you would like to add timecode to. Select the option to access the clip attributes from the drop-down menu. In the Clip Attributes window, navigate to the Timecode tab. Click on the option to import the timecode. Select the timecode file that you previously exported from Tentacle Sync. Once the file is selected, confirm the import process. Check the audio clip in the timeline to ensure the timecode is applied correctly. Adjust any additional settings or parameters as needed. Lastly, review the synchronization between your audio and video to ensure everything aligns as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.